So hi, today we will discuss one of the important topic in SAP, which is document splitting. Document splitting is the splitting of the line item based on the characteristics we define. We will define the characteristics like business area, profit center, segment. So with the help of this, we will be able to get more accurate reports. Okay. So for the profit center wise, we will be getting more accurate reports or business area wise or segment wise. So let's see in SAP how we can do the document splitting configuration. Before that, I will show you. After posting of an entry, the entry view will be the purchases account, which is for the profit center 1, and purchases, which is for the profit center 2, and the credit vendor, no profit center is assigned. Okay. So we'll not be able to get a better report with this. So after configuring the document splitting, the general ledger view, you will be able to see, okay, here you will be able to see the purchases, which is for the profit center 1, and the purchases, which is for the profit center 2. And here the line item 3, which is for the vendor, which has been split. Okay, it has been splitted into 2. Okay, the line item 3 and 4 has been created. So with the help of a zero balance clearing account, it has been splitted to the profit center 1 and profit center 2, and the amount has been divided according to that. So this is the way the document splitting happens. Now I will show you how we can configure in SAP. So let's go to IMG screen, SPRO, SAP reference ING. Here, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, business transactions, document splitting. So the first is classify GL accounts for document splitting. So what all accounts at the time of account group we have defined in the chart of accounts that we can give here. Okay, so I am giving my chart of accounts ALLO, giving new entries. So account from or assets I have maintained in the account group from 1000 to 1999, and I have to give the category which is for the balance sheet. So I can give this one. So next is liabilities, which I have maintained from 2000 to 2999. Okay. Again, the category is balance sheet. Okay. Next, we can maintain expenses, which is from 4000 to 4999. And we have to give the category which is expenses. Okay. Next, we have to define the revenues, which we are given is 3000 to 3999, and the category will be expenses revenues. Sorry. Okay. Now we will save this. Okay. So next, we have to classify document types for document splitting. So the document types are already predefined in SAP, so we don't have to configure anything. You can see here all types of all document types are defined here. That is AA for asset posting, KG for vendor credit memo, KR for vendor invoice. So we don't have to define anything here. You can go back. So next is define zero balance clearing account. So with the help of zero balance clearing account only, the line item will be splitting. The first thing we have to create a GL account for zero balance clearing. So let's go to FS00. Okay, here we have to maintain a zero balance clearing account. Let me give 2080. Create on groups liabilities, balance sheet account, zero balance clearing, zero balance clearing account, only balances in local currency. And here we have to give our field status group. So we have to give for clearing account. Okay, save this, go back. Okay, define zero balance clearing account. Here we can give the standard one, can give our chart of accounts, which is ALLO. Here we have to give our new entries. That is the GL account we have created now, 2080. Okay, and save this. Okay, now we can go back. Now we have to define document splitting characteristics for general ledger accounting. So on what characteristics we want to split the document. So here we will be able to see according to the business area, according to the profit segment, segment wise. Okay. So which we want to, we can select anything. So I will be selecting here profit center. You have to tick this and tick this as the mandatory field. And after save this. And next is define document splitting characteristics for controlling. So if you want to split the document according to the controlling, if your client wants the characteristics for controlling, you can define that. Otherwise, you can leave it. Okay. And then go back. After that, you have to activate document splitting. So if we have created the document splitting, which will be applicable for all the company codes, you will not be able to delete the document splitting. You will be only to deactivate the company code which you want. Okay. So here you have to tick the document splitting, which is already ticked. So after that, we can save this. So these are the things we have to configure in the document splitting. And after that, while posting, I will show you how these document splitting. If you want to get more details of the posting, I will comment below the link. In that, you will be able to see the document posting. After posting, what will happen? This I will show you just a screenshot of what happens. After giving all the details, you have to give here simulate general ledger view. In that, you will be able to see the document splitted. Okay, with the help of zero balance clearing, how it has been splitted. It has been shown here. That is according to for the 31, the vendor has been split into zero balance clearing account. Okay, you can see here. So I think you understood this concept. If you like this video, please share my channel and please subscribe. Okay, thank you.